humans. I hope you're having a positive day, and I hope you had a very, very happy holiday season. We are going to be having a little date night, holiday date night tonight, so I'm really excited. Grapevine is right near where we are, so they are known as the capital of Christmas for Texas, so I'm really excited to see what they have in store, all the Christmas lights and cute little shops and stuff. We're going to walk around. And they also have their 44th annual Christmas lights parade, or parade of lights. So we're going to see that as well. It looks like it gets really busy and nice, so I'm hopefully going to be able to get lots of clips of that. It's going to be dark, so hopefully the footage is not too bad. But after that, we're just going to come home, watch a Christmas movie, make some dinner, have some hot apple cider, and I want to show you a couple of cute bulbs I have. But otherwise, I hope you had a great holiday. Let's go! my gosh, that was a crazy parade. It is actually still going. They said it was about an hour on the website, but it's close to 2 hours by the end of it. I know that they're close to the end, but we're gonna try to get out of here and get home because it's getting late and we're hungry. But very nice parade, lots of different things, cheerleading and live bands, trailers, buses, all sorts of things. So very cool to see. It was a super cute little town. I would suggest if you're coming though, bring chairs to see the parade. A lot of people did do that, but we're gonna get home and have our movie night. Hey, hello. What?
The computer.
It's right in front of you.
Oh my god, I can never see this.
So my catchphrase is ow, because everything irks me, and your catchphrase is
Where the fuck is this thing?
you gave me nothing. We are making some beef short ribs shredded, and I'm gonna have it with homemade air fryer fries, and he's gonna have mashed potatoes. Yum yum. You don't get any. This is ours.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What's up?
Please don't cut yourself.
Good. What you doing?
Just giving you love. Aw. Look how cute. Look how cute she is. She matches me. She's like, ooh, what's that? You can't have that.
It's weird.
Aww. Mwah. Happy Hanukkah, Monica. Saw Santa Claus. He said hello to Ross. Do you want me to chop my fries?
Yeah, go ahead. Here, let me chop up my carrot real quick so I can get the meat started.
Rude. Rude.
What's rude?
Steal my cutting board.
Surely you appreciate me not dirtying another cutting board.
I do. That's right. That's true. True.
Just for a
You
carrot.
tore at my neat freak side. So what movie are we watching?
I know, I gotta do some browsing. I keep
There's
thinking
Elf,
about the Polar Express.
Polar Express, Christmas with the Cranks, Home Alone, Christmas Carol.
Too negative.
Alright, well those are kind of my top, so that's where I'm at.
Those are all good choices.
That's the right answer. Alright, there's my fries. While Daniel is finishing making our dinner, I wanted to show you a couple of cute little ornaments that we got. So, about a month ago, we went to Disney World for the Christmas party, and I didn't vlog it since I did that last year. But this year, they gave us this adorable nutcracker ornament. I love that. And then last year, if you saw that vlog, you've seen this, but last year they gave us this also very cute snowflake one. And then we went out there and we met up with my parents. So because of that, every year my mom has me make her our own, like my own ornament to go on her tree, which is really cute. And so because we met them in Disney this year, I decided to take inspiration from that trip, and I made her this adorable little Minnie Mouse snow globe, or not snow globe, ornament. And I love it. The perfectionist in me is kind of like, oh, there's things I can fix, but overall, very, very cute. And I love how it turned out. And then, of course, I just have a couple of Harry Potter ones, and my favorite Disney movie is Frozen, so I have like this adorable Olaf. And that's it. I just wanted a little show and tell of my cute ornaments, because I don't think I went into detail when I did the Decorate With Me last year. But those are some of them, and we're going to figure out which movie we're going to watch and then eat and watch that movie.
Just ask for the Well, no, those are way too emotional.
And you thought you was gonna be in our way. Open the champagne, and I will be right back. I've got a surprise for you.
You got another ex-wife back there?
Let's see. Which one here? Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. Nice and easy. Thank you, baby.
They tried using gnomes and the trolls during cosplays. No human being has ever said where our story begins. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Thanks, Mr. Narwhal. Bye.
That's cute. Artemis, up. Good girl. Josh Panda!
Hey! What's your name? I just wanted to run.
Aww, he's so cute.
I love you!
I know him! It doesn't matter who can tell, let's go, baby.
A few days later, we decided to go back over to Grapevine and check out their drone show, 3rd annual, which had a bunch of cool lights up in the sky, which lasted 10 minutes. And we also wanted to see the rest of the cute little town and market that we didn't get to see. There were some really cool things like hand-blown glass ornaments and tons of beautiful lights. It was quite crowded. We decided to bring Artemis with us, our dog, but we had to hold her the whole time and she was a little nervous. So I don't suggest bringing your fur babies, but it was such a great time and she's always comfortable in our arms. If you come for the drone show, I definitely recommend standing at the street by the railroad crossing right in front of Harvest Hall. That will be your best view. We were right at the beginning at Dallas Road and Main Street, so there was a lot of flashing lights with police cars just blocking everybody in since they don't completely close down that street. But Main Street was absolutely beautiful, lots of room to walk around. It was super cool to see how they were able to actually make the drones move. So how it shows a train kind of going forward and Santa waving hi. There was also a super cute little market that was like a farmer's market store. So they had a lot of homegrown stuff that they were selling in there, lots of spices and salsas, some produce, and everyone seemed to really enjoy it because it was completely packed. Once we were done, we just went home and ordered pizza and watched Friends together. So it was a very lovely 2 date nights, and I hope you got some inspiration or just some fun holiday spirit.